Hi everybody and welcome to the Daily 3D Print. Today I want to show you a quick way of making some stairs on the side of a house. So here I've drawn a house. I've got the first floor at a height of 3 meters or 3000 millimeters. Just for this demonstration I'm just going to draw a line that's maybe out 300 millimeters like so, and go down 300 millimeters. So now I've got my first two lines. I'm just going to select them both, take the move tool, click on the top left point, which is here, click Control to take a copy and place it on the bottom right, like so, and then times by 9. And then it's just to take your push-pull tool and pull it out. Easy way to create steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.